Today on Jumppyy Kids, we're flying high! Let's discover 20 air vehicles that soar, spin, and zoom through the skies. Fasten your seatbelts. It's time to take off. 1. Airplane carries people across cities and countries. Fact: the world's longest flight lasts over 19 hours. 2. Helicopter can take off and land anywhere. Fact: helicopters can fly backward and sideways. 3. Hot air balloon rises using hot air inside a big balloon. Fact: the first passengers in a hot air balloon were a duck, a sheep, and a rooster. 4. Glider flies without an engine using only wind currents. Fact: gliders can stay in the air for hours. 5. Jet plane, super-fast airplanes used by the military. Fact: fighter jets can fly faster than the speed of sound. 6. Parachute helps people float safely back to the ground. Fact: parachutes were invented more than 500 years ago. 7. Drone flies by remote control or computer. Fact: drones can deliver packages and even film movies. 8. Blimp, a large airship filled with gas. Fact: blimps are used for advertising and TV filming at sports events. 9. Hang glider, a lightweight glider flown by people. Fact: pilots hang from a bar and glide like birds. 10. Space shuttle travels beyond Earth into space. Fact: the space shuttle Discovery flew 39 missions. 11. Airship, like a blimp but with a frame inside. Fact: the Hindenburg was the most famous airship ever built. 12. Seaplane can land on water. Fact: seaplanes are used in places with no airports. 13. Gyrocopter looks like a mini helicopter. Fact: it can fly safely even if the engine stops. 14. Jetpack, a personal flying machine. Fact: jetpacks can lift you up using rocket power. 15. Cargo plane carries heavy goods instead of people. Fact: the biggest cargo plane can carry 640,000 pounds. 16. Fighter jet, used by air forces. Fact: they can turn at speeds that make pilots feel 9 times their body weight. 17. Glider kite flies using strings and wind. Fact: kites were the first man-made flying objects. 18. Spaceship takes astronauts to outer space. Fact: the fastest spaceship traveled over 150,000 miles per hour. 19. Rescue helicopter saves people during emergencies. Fact: it can hover in one spot for minutes. 20. Ultralight plane, small and light for solo flyers. Fact: some weigh less than 150 kilograms. Awesome! Those air vehicles took us high into the sky. Now, let's head in the opposite direction, down to the water. Let's explore some amazing water vehicles next. Let's dive right in. 1. A rowboat, a small boat that moves when we row with oars. Fun fact: people have used rowboats for more than 8,000 years. 2. Canoe, a light, narrow boat, perfect for lakes and calm rivers. Fact: ancient canoes were made from hollowed-out trees. 3. Kayak: a small one-person boat used for adventures. Did you know? Kayaks were first used by Arctic hunters. 4. Sailboat: it moves using the power of the wind. Real fact: sailboats don't need fuel at all. They run on breeze power. 5. Motorboat: a fast boat powered by an engine. Fact: some motorboats can go faster than cars. 6. Fishing boat: used by fishermen to catch fish in rivers and oceans. Fact: there are over 4.5 million fishing boats in the world. 7. Yacht: a fancy boat for fun and parties. Did you know? The world's largest yacht is longer than a football field. 8. Ferry: carries people and cars across rivers and seas. Fact: some ferries can carry more than 2,000 passengers at once. 9. Cruise ship: a floating hotel with swimming pools and restaurants. Real fact: the biggest cruise ship can carry over 9,000 people. 10. Submarine: travels deep under the water. Fact: submarines can stay underwater for months. 11. Cargo ship: carries huge containers across the ocean. Did you know? About 90% of world trade moves by ships. 12. Tugboat: small but strong. It pulls big ships to shore. Fact: tugboats are known as the helpers of the harbor. 13. Jet ski: a fast water scooter for fun rides. Fact: jet skis can speed up to 70 miles per hour. 14. Speedboat: built for racing on water. Did you know? The fastest speedboat reached over 500 kilometers per hour. 15. Houseboat: a boat where people actually live. Fact: in Kerala, India, families live on beautiful houseboats every day. 16. Hovercraft: moves on both water and land using air cushions. Fact: hovercrafts float about 8 inches above the ground. 17. Catamaran: has 2 hulls instead of 1. Fact: this design makes it more stable in rough water. 18. Rescue boat: used to save people in emergencies. Fact: lifeguards use them during floods and sea rescues. 19. Warship: a strong naval ship for defense. Fact: modern warships can carry helicopters too. 20. Icebreaker: crushes ice to clear paths in frozen seas. Fact: some icebreakers can break through ice 3 meters thick. Wow! What a journey! We sailed, raced, and even dove underwater. Which water vehicle was your favorite? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jumppyy Kids. Bye-bye.